See the slabs here are wonderful. This is the guhit here is still unexplainable because there are many man-made structures here. And you see here I am recording myself. So the slabs are cut into pieces by an unknowingly mysterious force. The force is just awakened. Ha ha ha. I think there are treasures here. There are treasures inside the slabs. See? And this is the wonderful view. This island is man-made. Is natural, not man-made. There's our boat. Guys, say hi. This. Okay, here is the cement island. I call it cement island, not nature's wonder.